I am super low to tell you, you can have a very low follower count, but making thousands of dollars in new revenue.
We are super low. I'm telling you to stay to the end because I've got 3 killer takeaways.
Steam shovel. So when I started my Instagram account, I had 2 goals. I want to get 4,000 followers and I want to make $4,000 in revenue in 4 months. Guess what? I was getting 1,000, 10,000, 12,000, even 16,000 and more views with less than 100 followers, less than 200 followers. But you know what was hard? Followers. I actually started to, I started to make good revenue because I focused on one thing. Customers' pain points. When you really understand what makes your ideal customer tick, especially what ticks them off, especially what's hurting them, and the fear and the doubt and the pain that they feel. There's a truck on my head. Then, Nate, that really hurts. Not only is getting views easier, sales becomes a lot easier too. Oh my gosh. For example, on social media, people are kind of annoyed by how fast the platforms change. It's kind of a real big hassle to keep up. Pain! So as a digital marketing agency, which I was before, I told people, I get it. This is terrible and it really hurts. But did you know Google takes way less work and can get you way better results? Because what's the #1 website in the world? Google. Where do most people search first for products and services? Google. Especially if you are brick and mortar, Google. All dang day. Google, Google, Google. And there are 3 simple steps to showing up on Google for local brick and mortar services. If you sign up for a free discovery call, I will reveal those secrets on the call, and I will tell you about my solution where you don't even have to do any of the work yourself, because doing the work is a pain point. Nobody got into business to do Google stuff unless you are a Google professional. So 3 quick takeaways. Think about your ideal customer in as much detail as humanly possible. Think about the way they think about the way they talk, and then you're going to talk about their pain point in 3 key places. First, in your profile. Number 2, you're going to talk about their pain point in your content. 3, when you talk about your main offering, you are not going to talk as much about your offering as you are going to talk about the pain. Why are you going to do this? Super easy. When you are the person that talks the most and the most clearly about your ideal customer's pain point, they're gonna assume, because you know their problem so clearly, you have the best answer. You distinguish yourself because no one else knows their problems like you. You become a category 1. Suddenly, price is a lot easier to deal with. The other thing about getting thousands of dollars of revenue on Instagram and other social media without having thousands of followers is this: have an offering that's worth thousands. Learn more about that in the next video right here. Did you just dump a bunch of grass on my back? Oh my god. Not on my head!